Worldwide coronavirus death toll rise to over 6,55,000. More than 10.2 billion patients have recovered from the disease across the world. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has said that the coronavirus pandemic has provided an opportunity to reshape urban areas. China suspends Hong Kong extradition treaties with Canada, Australia, and the UK. Former Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak on Tuesday was found guilty of corruption in the multi-billion-dollar 1MDB scandal. Coronavirus cases in Indonesia reach 1 lakh as Red Cross issue a warning. Saudi Arabia has expressed its full support and needs for the security and stability of Iraq. A pet cat has tested positive in England for the new coronavirus that causes COVID-19, the government said on Monday, in the first confirmed case of an animal being infected with the virus.